In this video, I will show you Adaptive Machine Designer of AUTOSAR I/O. I will design a machine with it. Right-click the project, select Adaptive Machine Designer to start designing machine. Here, I will add machine. Right-click Machine and Machine Manifest, select Add Machine. I create a new AR package called Machine. Machine design refers to the machine, which is created in System Designer. In Trusted Platform Executable Launch Behavior, select No Trusted Platform Support. In FunctionGroup, I add machine state and drive state, which are also created in System Designer. Right-click and select Add FunctionGroup. Select Machine State for type and change its name to Machine State. Next, create drive state in the same way. In the type, select drive state and change its name to drive state as well. For the next step, I will add processor. Right-click in the Processor tab and select Add Processor. I will add several cores in processor. Enter 04 core ID. Next part is environment variables. We can put random names for environment variables key. Here I enter BNV key and BNV value. I need to set environment variables according to different environments. I will add OS module instantiation and assume Linux as Object OS. Right-click the resource group, select Add Resource Group. Set the CPU use rate to 80% for safety, and the memory can be set by byte unit. Here, I will set the memory usage to 1 GB. So I finished designing the machine for Adaptive AUTOSAR.